The three P's of an academic presentation. What is an academic presentation? Academic presentation, it is a presentation that you are going to present in front of an audience through visual aid or in PowerPoint presentation. There are three P's of an academic presentation. They are plan, prepare, and present. The first one is plan. Planning is fundamental in all activities. Before preparing for your presentation, set first your objective, then evaluate your audience and context. The first one is setting your objective. It is your purpose in delivering an academic presentation. The audience be able to learn or be able to do after your presentation. Setting a clear objective will give clear direction of what you will present and how you will present. The second one is evaluating your audience. Knowing the profile of your audience will also influence the format, content, and style of your presentation. Other than age, gender, and educational attainment, you also need to consider religious and political beliefs, attitude, and preferences of the audience. The third one is evaluating the context. Evaluating the context entails looking at the environmental conditions or setting of academic presentation, the time when you will be delivering your presentation. The weather and the venue can affect your style of delivering and kind of visuals. When the sun is at its peak, what color should you use in your visuals? How many seconds would you allow each part of your presentation? And that's all for the plan. And the second for the three P's are prepare. Now that you set your objectives and evaluated your audience and the context, it is time to prepare the content of and visuals for your presentation and yourself as a presenter. For the prepare, the first one is prepare the content. What is all about the prepare the content? It is the presentation includes introduction, body, and conclusion. For the body, it is by the way, for the introduction, at the onset establish a positive impression. You should be enough to win the attention of your audience and to introduce the topic of your presentation. For the body, it is the meat of your presentation. Before, during, and after scribbling the body of your presentation, refer back to the objective of your presentation. What is the part of your body do you need to amplify? The third one is the conclusion. It is the last part of the presentation. It should leave a positive mark on your audience. A weak conclusion can affect negatively your presentation. Review the content of your presentation. Will the content address the objective that you have set? Check on areas which may not be clear or which may need more examples. Revise the content as needed. After reviewing, prepare for possible questions that the audience may ask. And the second one is prepare the visuals. Remember that you use visual aids to help you achieve your goal. They are to enhance and not to distract the presentation. It is very important that you choose an appropriate material. If you were to present a research proposal with a proper point presentation, help you deliver the proposal. And the third one is prepare yourself. It is very important as a presenter. One of the most forgotten aspects of preparation is preparing self as a presenter. Do not forget that it is equally important to prepare yourself to go to war. A newly sharpened spear or high caliber ammunition does not win war if soldier is not physically, psychologically, and emotionally prepared. You should have a confidence level to show the audience of what is your presentation is all about. And the third piece of the academic presentation is to present. During the day of your presentation, you should go to the venue earlier and check on the multimedia projector or the things that you need for your visuals. Having a small talks with your audience before presentation, it helps you to lessen your anxiety. Survey the room for the friendly faces. Look at these friendly faces during your presentation, but make sure to balance distribution of your attention. You should equally face the audience so that the other audience will understand of what you are saying all about. And the third one is do not forget to answer that question of your audience. You keep track of your time, but do not rattle by the motion of the timekeeper. You may skim on your slides and highlight only on the slides that need to be focused on. Do not forget to answer the questions of your audience honestly and courteously, then extend your sincere gratitude to them because that's all